Hi there, I'm Matthew Connor. I'm Vice President of ERP Solutions here at Peloton Group. This week, Oracle released the new RCDs for Release 12 of ERP Cloud. After reviewing them, I thought I'd share 5 of my favorite new features that are being released. Now, we don't have a date for Release 12 yet, but I've heard sometime here after the first of the year. So let's go through. First new piece of functionality I'm excited for. It's per diem. The ability to do per diems in ERP Cloud and execute against rules is new. In the past, if you had per diems, you could put it in as an expense type and put a dollar amount. Now you're able to do first and last day, have different per diem amounts by different location. This was a big hole in ERP Cloud expenses that now allows it to compete more effectively with Concur. The second functionality, and this is a piece of functionality that's been going on, being requested since EBS days for 15 or 20 years, is there is now a approval workflow for payments. So when your AP clerk creates a payment batch, you can have a separate approval workflow to go. So whether to the controller, the CFO, AP manager, or multiple people, you're able to set up an approval workflow to do that. Really excited for that. That'll be a really big piece for command and control SOX controls. The third piece of functionality is for those people who've been building reports in OTBI or BI Publisher, the ability to search for dimensions. Right now, you have to go through numerous folders, open them up, try and find it. So you'll be able to search for a specific, hey, I want to look for supplier name. You don't have to go search through 15 different folders. Fourth, huge enhancements in security, making it easier. To now, setting up user security and passwords is a multi-step process. You have to go to multiple screens. Now they've consolidated all that in what is being called the security console. I think from a system administrator perspective, this is really going to ease the use. And along with that, you're able to have better password control. Right now, I forget my password all the time for the different environments that I'm in, and you have to remember what you answered the challenge questions. Now it'll be the more traditional, I forgot my password, it'll send an email to the linked email account, and you can reset your password that way. Much more effective. And then the final piece that I think is really exciting with Release 12 is pre-built data extracts. So the data extracts are across the various applications, so a really common thing. Payment extracts, journal details. So if you need to take data out of your system and put it into another application, whether that's a planning application, another third party, if you're working in a two-tiered environment, all of this functionality is there. So that is 5 pieces of functionality we're really excited for from a ERP financials perspective.